In today's video, we will be comparing two advanced dash cameras, the OVAMAN K600 4K dashcam and a high-end 3-channel dashcam. Both products promise exceptional video quality and advanced features. But how do they stack up against each other? Let's dive in and find out. When it comes to video quality, the OVAMAN K600 offers a stunning 4K UHD resolution, ensuring crystal-clear footage. In contrast, the 3-channel dashcam provides a combination of 4Ks for the front camera and 1080p for both the rear and cabin cameras. This multi-channel setup allows for comprehensive coverage, capturing all angles during your drive. Both dashcams are equipped with impressive night vision capabilities. The OVAMAN K600 utilizes HDR technology to enhance visibility in low-light conditions, while the 3-channel dashcam features the advanced HDR sensor, which excels in capturing clear and detailed footage even in the darkest environments. This makes both options reliable for nighttime driving. The OVAMAN K600 is priced at an attractive $109, making it a budget-friendly option for drivers looking for quality without breaking the bank. On the other hand, the 3-channel dashcam comes with a hefty price tag of $599. While it offers more features, potential buyers must consider whether the additional cost aligns with their needs and budget. In conclusion, both dashcams offer unique advantages. The OVAMAN K600 is perfect for those seeking high-quality recording at an affordable price, while the 3-channel dashcam provides extensive features for serious users. We hope this comparison helped you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews.